to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink.
Hi guys, this is Daniel from FND. In this video, we are going to see how to create aggressive hybrid animals that are 50-50 blend of two species. So let's get started. I recently posted one tutorial on hybrid animal transformation where I generated many hybrid animals, and there are some commands where those animals are not a 50-50 blend. For example, you can see this kangaroo and Dalmatian hybrid. You can see it is most of kangaroo and only the texture has Dalmatian. So it is not a 50-50 blend. So some commands are saying we want 50-50 blend hybrid animals and also in aggressive style. So this video is about that, how to create aggressive hybrid animals that are 50-50 blend of two species. So let's see how to do that. So go to this post, this Tensor Art post. I drop a link in the description. So these animals are generated by me using this Lora called Hybrid Animals. So I created this Hybrid Animals Lora. So you can use that as well to create these kind of 50-50 blended animals. And also you can see it is in aggressive style. So let me show you how to prompt as well to get this result. So click on remix and sign up with your email account. In Tensor Art, you will get daily 50 credits. Using my link, you will get another 50 credits while signing up. So click on remix. So after clicking on remix, you will get this UI. Here you need to type in the prompt. Here you need to select models, add Loras, and you can also tweak the settings over here. So it will be automatically added these two Loras. This is the Hybrid Animal Lora and another Lora called Flux plus Detailer TA version 0.1. You need to use these two Loras to get better result. There are 4 different methods to generate hybrid images using this Hybrid Animal Lora. I'm going to show you all of the methods. So the first method is using simple prompt. In this example, you can see I just created horse and cheetah hybrid, where you can see the prompt is really simple. F&D hybrid of horse and cheetah. So the F&D hybrid is a trigger word to trigger this Hybrid Animal Lora of horse cheetah, your animal X and animal Y, in aggressive comic realism. So aggressive comic realism is the prompt that will help to generate aggressive results. So you can see over here, I type in the prompt, make sure the images is in 2. For this simple prompt, I'm gonna recommend the Lora value to 0.8. So I'm gonna increase it, click on generate, and you can see the result. So this is kind of okay, but it's not perfect. You can see this result. So it's looking like having horse body with a cheetah face, the blended face of horse and cheetah. And then you can also see it has 2 tails. One is looking like the horse tail and another one is looking like the cheetah tail. So this one is not usable for me. This one is kind of okay, but it's not perfect. So sometime you will get better result using this simple prompt. But I'm not going to recommend this first step, but you can try. Maybe sometime you will get good result. So get better result, you need to go to ChatGPT. Go to ChatGPT and type this prompt. So this is a simple prompt. I'm going to give the prompt in the description. You can download it from there for free and paste it on ChatGPT and click on enter. And it will ask for the 2 animals you need to blend. I'm going to give cheetah and horse. Then it will generate a detailed prompt of cheetah horse. I'm going to copy this prompt, copy it and go to Tensor Art, paste it on the prompt box, and we need to add the trigger word. The trigger word is F&D hybrid. F&D hybrid. Then creature that blends cheetah and a horse. I'm going to give cheetah hyphen horse. Also for this, I'm going to recommend 0.4 to get a better result. Click on generate and you can see the result. So you can see this is the perfect blend of horse and cheetah. So it has horse body, cheetah texture, horse tail, horse hair, cheetah face, and you can also see the next one. So this is the second method. And the third method is sometimes you may not get a perfect balanced result. At that time, you need to change the value of the hybrid animal Lora to 0.6 or 0.8. I recommend to use the value from 0.2 to 0.8. You can increase or decrease the value. Let's say if we got not the better result in the second method, you can go with the third method. So I'm gonna increase the value to 0.6, then click on generate, and the result got generated, and you can see the two results. This one, I don't like this one. This is not the perfect angle to see the hybrid animal. Let's see the next. So this one is kind of okay. So you can see it has the blended face of cheetah and horse, horse body, cheetah's texture, and you can see horse hair, horse tail, etc. So I kind of like this one, but this one also looking great. So you can select anyone from this. So this is the third method. So let me show the fourth method. The fourth method, here you can see this is the hybrid animal E9. I also created another Lora E1. So click on this eye icon, and here you can see my Lora page. Here you can see the different generations, and at the bottom you can see the community post using this Lora. You can also post your community post, and that will get over here. So let me show you the another Lora. Here you can see it is showing E9. Click on E1, and this is the another version of this hybrid animal Lora. So click on run. For this I'm gonna use the strength of 0.8. Use recommended. Delete the previous one, E9 version. We are going to use the E1. For this we don't need to use flux detailer, so I'm gonna make this to 0. You can also try if you want, but I'm not going to use that detailer. I'm going to use the same prompt, generate, and you can see the result. So I kind of like this one. So it is the perfect blend of both the animals. You can see the horse face, and also you can see the cheetah face perfectly blended to create one face. Then you can see the texture, and you can also see the aggression, perfect lighting, etc. So this is one of the perfect blended result. So that's it. These are the 4 different methods to generate hybrid animals using my Lora to get perfect 50-50 balanced result. So that's it. Then you can use the same environment setup, place the horse and cheetah separately, use Kling AI with keyframe conditioning, add the first frame and end frame to create the transformation reels. If you want to do the transformation reel like this, you can check out my previous video. I drop a link in the description as well. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give thumbs up, subscribe this channel for more future tutorials. Also press the bell icon so that you can get instant notification when I upload a video. Thanks for watching, and bye.